As an AI language model, I can provide guidance and suggest ways in which people, including those with limited resources, can potentially earn money online. Here are some suggestions. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can provide services like writing, graphic design, translation, programming, virtual assistants, and more, depending on your expertise. 2. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor or teacher. Platforms like VIPKid, tutor.com, or Udemy allow you to teach languages, academic subjects, or specialized skills to students worldwide. 3. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast where you share valuable content in your area of interest or expertise. By gaining an audience, you can monetize through advertising, sponsored content, memberships, or merchandise. 4. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media platforms. You earn a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate links. 5. Online surveys and microtasks. Participate in online surveys or complete small tasks on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Swagbucks, or Inbox Dollars. While the earnings may be relatively small, they can add up over time. 6. Online marketplace. Utilize online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or other products. You can start with minimal investment and gradually expand your business. 7. Dropshipping. Set up an online store without maintaining inventory by partnering with suppliers through platforms like Shopify and You handle the marketing and customer service, while the supplier handles product storage and shipping. 8. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities on websites like remote.co, Indeed, or LinkedIn. Many companies offer remote positions in various fields, such as customer service, data entry, writing, programming, and more. 9. Online gig platforms. Join gig platforms like TaskRabbit, Gigwalk, or Thumbtack to find local or virtual gigs. These platforms connect people who need specific tasks done with individuals willing to perform them for a fee. 10. Online reselling. Purchase items at a lower price from thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sales, and resell them online through platforms like eBay or Poshmark at a higher price.